Hey guys, welcome. So in today's video, I decided to do a DIY for my pumpkins. Well, I was planning to put a centerpiece in our table in our backyard, but then I don't want to spend much money on a centerpiece. Well, I saw a lot of centerpieces like in Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, but then I don't know. I mean, some of them are not that expensive, but I just don't feel like buying it for some reason. I mean, it's pretty, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous, but I don't know. So then I decided to search on Pinterest, and I saw this idea which involves this dollar pumpkins. So I got 4 of these styrofoam pumpkins for $1, and then I have this garland leaf also for $1, and this jack-o'-lantern pumpkin for also $1 in Target. But you can also find this at Walmart with different expression of a jack-o'-lantern. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray paint this gold or silver, but I'm planning to do it silver because I love silver, but then I think gold is much better for the project because I saw already the result, because she uses gold, or he uses gold, or whoever posted that on Pinterest uses gold for this one, and I don't think silver will be pretty. Copper would be nice, but what I have on hand is gold, so I don't want to buy copper just to pursue this project because I want it to be budget friendly. So I have to use whatever I have. So let's get started. First things first, going to remove the tags. Then I'm going to remove the handle on this jack-o'-lantern basket. Just pull it, try. Can't. I don't have a wire cutter, so I'm just going to use this plier. Ow! Be careful using this. I already took out the other one. And okay, so let's go outside and spray paint this. So I'm going to use the Rust-Oleum metallic in gold that I have left over, and you can buy this at any hardware store, but I usually buy this kind of spray paint in Home Goods. Oh, Home Depot, Home Depot. So here. it doesn't have to be perfect, but at least especially the leaves, the point is it has a touch of the color gold. And here are the pumpkins and the jack-o'-lanterns. I didn't spray paint the inside of the jack-o'-lanterns because I'll put something on top of it. And now I'm just going to wait for it to dry up so I can start decorating with them. They're completely dry. Here there's a touch of orange still, but it's okay. So it still have an effect of orange. And I'm planning to set it up over here in this table, but first I'm gonna wipe it first because it's a bit dusty. It's time to decorate. This one I got it from 99-cent store. I don't know if I have to change it with a different color because it's kind of the same. It's just this one is a little light, but we'll see. And please give me some feedback if I have to change the runner. And these two plants, this is fake, obviously. It's from IKEA. It's like $4 and some change. It's not that expensive. And I'll be putting this here. So it's time to decorate. Inexpensive fall Halloween centerpiece. I think it's kind of cute. What do you think, guys? So that's it, and see you on our next video.